Okay, so we're on to the main course. Right, so it's a bit of a sort of South American stew, Panamanian, shall we say. So we've got some really nice longhorn beef from Great Berwick Organics, and carrot and potato. These are like little Jamaican dumplings that are going to go in the stew. We've got the stew that is guisada, and then we've got something called sofrito, that's like a tomato kind of chili paste, and a recaito, that's like a coriander kind of paste. And then we've got coriander and chili. First things we are going to do is get our lovely looking stew on the go. Put on a medium heat, bring that up to a little bubble. I might just get a little bit of water to add to it if I need to. This is just so that I don't burn it really. Okay, so once we're just about bubbling, start off by adding our meat. Just let that come up to a bubble again, and we'll add our carrots and potatoes. Yeah, you don't want to cook it too hard because you want the heat to get all the way through, so just going to turn it down, leave it to simmer for a minute or two. Okay, so once everything's pretty hot in there, we're going to take half of our tomato paste, or sofrito, half of our coriander paste, or recaito. We're just going to mix that through. That should be all the seasoning and flavour you need going through here. And then we'll just take our dumplings, sit these guys on top, or our spinners, sorry, our Jamaican spinners.
Why are they called spinners?
They're called spinners because they, when you cook them, rather than bobbing up and down like a normal dumpling, they spin round in the water. Okay, so we'll just let all the heat get through there. Get myself a nice big spoon for this. And then we're just going to split it over the two plates. So I'm going to leave the spinners till last. Should warm you up in this cold spell we've been having. You can add as little or as much as you want of this, but I'm going to do a nice blob of this stuff in the middle. It's pretty pokey, so. And then just a little bit of this one. Put this around a bit. And then finally, a bit of fresh raw chilli. Just to give it a bit of spice. And then a nice sprinkling coriander. Good, hearty home food. That's what I want to eat.